In the previous class, we had discussed about synthetic division, that is called as Horner's method. Okay. With the help of this Horner's method, we can find the quotient as well as a remainder. That means fx a polynomial divided with x plus or minus e. That means x minus a or x plus e. Okay. We can find the remainder as well as the quotient. Okay. So today we will discuss some special case. Okay. That means fx a polynomial, that means fx is a dividend and which is divided with ax plus or minus b. This is the divisor. This ax plus or minus b is a divisor. Okay. What about a polynomial fx which is divided with ax plus or minus b to get the remainder and quotient? That means how to find the remainder and quotient when fx a polynomial which is divided with ax plus or minus b. Okay. For that we will have to take one example. Okay. So here we will take one example on this special case of synthetic division method. Okay. For that I will write one problem. Find the quotient and remainder find the quotient and remainder. Okay. When 4x cube minus 3x plus 9 is divided with 2x minus 3. So the divisor is 2x minus 3. Okay. What is the quotient and remainder when the polynomial 4x cube minus 3x square plus 9 is divided with 2x minus 3. Okay. So first of all we will find the remainder. Remainder already you know. What is the 0 of 2x minus 3? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. So the remainder is f of 3 by 2. The remainder is f of 3 by 2. Okay. So that is equal to 4 of 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into 3 by 2. In place of x should be substituted with 3 by 2 plus 9. 4 of 3 cube by 2 cube minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 9. So that is equal to 4 into 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 by 2 cube is 8 minus here 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2 plus 9. 4 cancels 8 2 times. Okay, 27 by 2. Okay, 27 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 9. First of all, these two are like fractions. This can be written as 27 minus 9 by 2 plus 9. 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. 18 by 2, isn't it? 2 9s are 18. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So the remainder is 18. Okay. So we got the remainder. Now you are asked to find the quotient. Okay. How to find the quotient? So remember the remainder is 18. Okay. Now how to find the quotient? Okay. When this polynomial is divided by this polynomial. Okay. First of all you take the divisor. 2x minus 3. From this you take 2 as common. How to take 2 as common? 2 of x minus, what about this term? This becomes 3 by 2. Again if you multiply you will get this form. So 2 of x minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now what you have to do is Horner's method, that is synthetic division method. Okay, keep like this, and this is the x cube quotient 4. Here x cube after x square quotient is not there. X cube after we have to write the x square quotient, but that is missing. So first of all, what we have to do, because x square quotient is missing, we have to keep 0. X cube quotient is 4. X square quotient is not there, so 0 should be right in place of x square quotient. Okay, next x quotient minus 3. This is x quotient minus 3 and 9. Constant 9. Okay. So here we have to keep 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 should be kept here. And under 4 keep 0. Okay. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 4. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. 6. 0 plus 6. 6. 6 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 6. 2 3s are 6. 9. 9. Okay. Minus 3 plus 9. That means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 3 by 2. Okay. 6. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. Once again. Okay, once again. 4, 0, minus 3, 9. So 3 by 2. 0, 4. 3 by 2 to 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 into 3 by 2, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 3 by 2. 6 into 3 by 2 is 9. So it's a 9 here. There I kept 6. Okay. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Okay. Because actually I have to get 18 here because we got the remainder 18. Okay. But by mistake I kept 6 here. Okay. So this is the remainder. Already we got. Okay. Remainder. But what about the quotient? Still some more thing is to be done. Okay. Here this common 2 should be right here. 4 should be divided with 2. 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 2. 6. Okay. 6. Okay. 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. So 3. 6 3. So these are the quotients of the quotient. That is, this is the x square quotient. This is the x quotient. This is the constant. So quotient. Okay, that means this polynomial when divided with this polynomial. So 18 is a remainder and the quotient is 2x square. Constant, x quotient, x square quotient. So 2x square plus 3x plus 3. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay, so this is the special case for a synthetic division. That means a polynomial is divided with a polynomial of this type. That means ax plus or minus b. Okay, so this is a special case for a synthetic division method. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen.